Today's video is sponsored by the Batman. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add the new contour node from Krokodove. Bring the width slider down until you have some nice lines. Right-click to the threshold slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, and change the source to duration. This will animate the colors. If you want to make them move faster, increase the scale slider. Back to the Tools tab, with the Levels slider, you can choose how much of details you want to have in your image. If you zoom in, you can notice that the shape is not so clean. I used my incredible talent to find a way around it. Add a blur node after the contour, and then a brightness and contrast node. Increase the contrast slider, and the girls will go crazy with this trick. Now that you've mastered this complex technique, add a soft glow node, play around with the threshold and the glow size slider, to find out what works best for you. Right-click to the Gain slider, and select to modify it with Shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, bring down the Smoothness slider, somewhere around 2 will work fine. Set the maximum range to 1.5 or higher, and the minimum range to 0.5. For the last step, add a color correction node, and choose the color for your effect. This one is available in the new 21 update, so if you are still in the version 20, what you are waiting for? It's free. If you want some cool effects and transitions to get the ladies, buy one of my packs and make me a millionaire.